Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add friends in Real Boxing 2. Real Boxing 2 allows you to connect with other players so that you can compete, compare progress, and enjoy multiplayer feature. First of all, launch open Real Boxing 2 on your device and make sure you are connected to the internet. Now, from the home screen, go ahead and tap on two human icons with a plus in it at the top left corner. You'll then come across the Friends tab. From the Friends tab, tap on Add Friend from the bottom. Enter your friend ID in the text box and make sure you type it down correct. After typing down your friend's ID, tap on Add Friend. You will then be able to send in the friend request to the person. If you want to add your Facebook friends in Real Boxing 2, you can also tap on Login at the bottom right corner and click the Continue button and sign in using your Facebook account's credentials. After signing in, tap on Open and then you need to allow necessary access. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sync Real Boxing 2 with Facebook as well. If you already have friends in your Facebook who plays Real Boxing 2, then the game will automatically detect friends as well in this page. So that's how you will be able to add friends in Real Boxing 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.